In one of the previous videos, I showed you how to make the bao buns. Now, I'm going to show you how to prepare the caramelized chicken to garnish these bao buns. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. Start by marinating the chicken. Remove the skin and the bones from the chicken thighs. Cut them into chunks, not too small. Then season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, half teaspoon of dark soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Combine. Let rest while preparing the cucumber pickles. They are very easy to prepare. They will bring crunch and freshness to our bao buns. Cut it into thin slices. Marinate them with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of white rice vinegar. Mix and let marinate. Chop 1 green onion. Cut 5 grams of cilantro into sections. Grate 1 piece of ginger. We need 1 teaspoon. Chop 3 cloves of garlic. Put them with the grated ginger. Put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a pan heated over high heat. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Spread it a little and let it caramelize without stirring. As soon as some small bubbles appear, add the garlic and the ginger. Stir for 10 seconds. Add the marinated chicken. Stir constantly for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Turn up the heat and pour the preparation into a bowl. Take a bao bun. Spread some of the caramelized chicken sauce and the cucumber pickles. The caramelized chicken, sprinkle with the green onion and the cilantro and the toasted sesame seeds. Put a small stick to hold it together. The caramelized chicken bao buns are ready. Bon appétit! Try this delicious bao bun. They are the Asian burgers. All the ingredients go well together. The softness of the bread, the well-seasoned, sweet and salty chicken, and the crunchy pickles. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.